Hey y'all, so today I am back with another video. In today's video I am just going to be doing my little I don't know what it would be like, maybe a 2-3 week, maybe 3 week review of this hair right here. This is the Daenerys hair. I think that's what it was called. Yeah, the Daenerys hair. And I just want to tell y'all how it's been so far. So as you can see right now, like the hair is giving right now, like it's really giving. It's so cute. I just put some wand curls in it and just brushed them out really quick. That's really all I've done with this hair right now. As far as the quality, well, let me go back a little bit. So I know I said like that the hair, like when I first did my initial like unboxing and all of that like review, that the hair was thick. Y'all, like I don't know, like it was thick at first, but then like it seemed like the more that I wore it, like it seemed like it kind of started getting like, I don't know if stringy is the word, but like y'all know when hair get like you've been wearing it for a while and it just like you haven't washed it and it kind of get like almost stringy. Like it's kind of hard to describe, but it just started feeling like really thin. But like it's weird because like I had only been wearing it for like a couple days, like 4 days at the most, and it started feeling like that. So once I like it started feeling like that, I just went ahead and ordered another bundle of hair. I think I ordered a 28-inch. I ordered that 28-inch, y'all. The bundle, like that 28-inch bundle, it was kind of like really thin and like it was thin and it wasn't a true 28-inch. So to be honest, like it's still all 26-inch hair. But I did add another bundle and it did add some fullness to it, which I like. So that's fine. As far as, let's go to the quality of the hair, yeah, so I'm not going to lie, this hair does shed. Like, yes, it sheds. I don't know, like it just sheds. And it's weird though, because like just walking around and stuff, like if you just sitting there, you're gonna get maybe like 1 or 2 strands, like the normal thing, but it really starts shedding like when you wash the hair. Like when I wash the hair, that's when I just kind of see like all this hair coming out. And I'm not sure if it's because like, I'm not sure what it's because like I have like plucked the I did pluck the hairline of the frontal, so not sure if it's from that or I'm not sure if it's from the bundles that I added. And I don't think it's from the bundles that I added, because I did cut the wefts like when I sewed in like that extra bundle, but it was kind of shedding like that like prior to me adding that extra bundle, if you know what I mean. So like it sheds and that's just a fact. Tangling, y'all, this hair does not tangle like at all. And when I say like I'll go to sleep and I'll just forget to put my bonnet on and I wake up and like all I gotta do is brush it out and it's fine. So like this hair does not tangle like at all, so that's one good thing. And then when it comes down to hair, like I don't like shedding, but I would rather take shedding over tangling, because like I can, okay, shedding like when I wash it, that's fine. But if I'm walking around and my hair looking like a bird's nest, like no, that's not it. So yeah, all I really do for this hair, I do feel like it is kind of high maintenance, but it could just be me that I'm treating it high maintenance. But I do wash the hair maybe like, yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I wash it probably like once a week. But you know, it is a unit, it's not sewed down, and I just have it installed with some Got2b. And if y'all want to see how I install with the Got2b, basically what I do is like I take the Got2b gel and then I spray some of the freeze spray in it and mix it up because it gives me like a stronger hold. So this is like day 2 of the install with it on like here. So yeah, this is like day 2 of the install, and of the install just with the Got2b. So all I do is, you know, just take some water. It don't take much to lift up Got2b. And when I take it off, I just put it in my tub and I wash it like shampoo it, and then I let the I put some silicone mix in it, and I let the silicone mix sit for it depends, because like sometimes when I just like want, I don't know, I'll be feeling lazy, I'll let it sit for maybe like 45 minutes and it'll be good. But like this last time that I did it, I let it sit for about like 3 hours. And I know people be like letting their silicone sit for like 8 hours overnight. Like I don't know, like I be ready to have my hair in my head, so I really don't be having time for that, like unless the hair is just like super bad, like, or even color treated. I don't have time for that. I don't. So 3 hours is the max that I have let the silicone mix sit in here. I have thought about like adding some highlights to the hair, but I don't know, like I just feel like I always add highlights to my wigs, and like of course always honey blonde or honey brown, and like that's the color of my real hair too. So I was like, you know what, let's just keep it simple this time. Like let's just keep it its natural color. This is the natural color of the hair. I have not dyed it black. I have not put any color at all in this hair. So yeah, and then I most of the time I'll always let the hair air dry. So like after I put the what is it called, after I put the silicone mix in it and wash that out, I just like wring it out real good, and then what do I do? Oh, I towel dry it like really well, and I'll just like hang it up like behind my door, my bathroom door, and I just let it air dry. Like I think one time I blow dried it, and when I blow dried it, like I let it sit for like a little minute first, like to air dry at least like about 60%, and then I just like took the dryer on cool and like just blow dried it the rest away. But like most of the time I just let it air dry. So yeah, y'all, like as y'all can see, like my hands are just kind of like flowing through it. So I do still like this hair. Okay, also I remember on my initial review of this hair, I did say how people, oh, I got a hair on my lip and I can't get it. Okay, there we go. I did say how people were saying like that the wig was like, the wig cap was smaller, and at first like I feel like it wasn't a problem, but like the wig cap is kind of small. Like I don't know, like it's just kind of smaller to me. I made it work, but I just feel like it is kind of smaller than usual. But I mean, like I said, it's like, I don't know, it was small, but it's not like it was an issue, you know, because I still could make it work. So yeah, if like I said, if y'all want to see how I install the hair, then with the got to be, just go ahead and comment down below. And I installed it a couple days, or was it last week? I think it was maybe last week. I installed the hair using the Kiss, like the double-ended Kiss, like the one with the like pointer pin tip, and then the one with the like silicone tip. I started using that also. I don't really like it. Like I really kind of don't like it because I don't know, like I felt like I hate glues that like kind of stay sticky, and I feel like that's what it did. Like I feel like it never dried or like never cured all the way. I feel like it just kind of like remained sticky. So I don't know, like I really didn't care for it, because like I feel like, okay, it's been 2 days and I'm tying my hair up and I got my bonnet on. Like why am I peeling my bonnet and my scarf off of my head because this glue is still sticky? Like I don't care for that. So I end up removing it. I tried the like, it's like a foaming remover that comes with it. It's almost like, you know, like the Bath and Body Works soap, how you like pump it and it kind of foam like that. That's what you do. Like you put it along the hairline and like you rub it in and it comes like soap. So that actually works pretty well. I do like the remover, but as far as the glue, like I am not a fan. But I'll do a whole nother video on that. I didn't just kind of ramble. But yeah, y'all, other than that, this is the review of the hair. If y'all have any questions, go ahead and comment them down below. If you've tried Daenerys hair before, then go ahead and comment as well and tell me how y'all liked it. Other than that, I will talk to y'all later. See y'all in the next video. Bye.